How many universes do you think there are? Just the one we live in? Or are there other universes outside the one we know and love? And does every universe have its own God? What if I made my own universe and decided on its laws from the very beginning? Would the creatures that inhabited its worlds think of me as their God? What if I just said the word and the word was string? What if that was all it took to build a universe? The idea of string and pencil and maybe some sealing wax. If I made all that happen on such a microscopic level, no one would ever know it was there. They would only ever see the things that were woven out of string and glued together with sealing wax. So, let there be string.